Estonia is ramping up its defense budget in response to growing threats from Russia. Starting in 2026, Estonia plans to boost its defense spending to at least 5% of its GDP, a significant jump from the current 3.3%. Prime Minister Kristen Michael made the historic announcement, highlighting Estonia's commitment to national security. Defence Minister Hanno Pevkur called it a groundbreaking decision for the Baltic nation. This move aligns Estonia with NATO allies like Poland and Lithuania, who are also increasing their defence budgets. The reason behind this hike? The looming threat from Russia. Since Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022, Estonia, along with Latvia and Lithuania, has been on high alert. They believe that if Russia succeeds in Ukraine, they could be next on the Kremlin's target list. Estonia isn't just talking the talk, it's walking the walk. The country has already made significant investments in its defence sector. This includes acquiring 230 armoured vehicles from Turkish companies Otokar and FNSS, worth around €200 million. These purchases are part of a broader strategy to enhance military capabilities. The 5% GDP defence budget reflects Estonia's serious approach to the evolving geopolitical landscape. As a NATO member, Estonia aims to bolster its defences and contribute to the alliance's overall strength. The country's increased military spending is not just a national priority, it's a commitment to collective security. Estonia has also been active in strengthening cooperation with other NATO countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom and Turkey. This involves intelligence sharing and joint military exercises, reinforcing Estonia's defence mechanisms. Defence Minister Hanno Pevkur emphasised that this decision is unprecedented for Estonia, a country of 1.3 million people. Increasing the defence budget from 3.3% to 5% of GDP in 1 year is a monumental step forward. This move underscores Estonia's awareness of the importance of military readiness. Supported by NATO and its allies, Estonia is determined to protect its sovereignty and ensure that the Baltic states do not become the next targets of Moscow's aggression. In summary, Estonia's decision to ramp up its defence spending is a clear signal to Russia and the world. It shows that Estonia is ready, willing, and able to defend itself and contribute to the security of the NATO alliance. Stay tuned for more updates on this significant development. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on global defense.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.